Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and we're going to go over how you would replace your license plate lights. We've got one on both sides, and so we gain access to them by this little cover. So you push the tab in here on the side here and just pull it down, and then you'll be able to pull this whole housing out, twist that a quarter turn to the counterclockwise, and be able to pull the housing out, and then somehow I'll be able to get that light bulb to come out of there. So we're able to pull this light bulb out. This is a 168, so we're going to get a new one. This one's actually burned out. Jim, so we got a new 168. You're just going to line that up and press that in, and then you'll take your housing here, be able to line up the tabs, turn them to tighten, and now just place that up until it snaps into place. And that's how you would replace your license plate light on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.